Today I want to take some time to explain why it's important to keep your classwork assignments separate from the stream. So I am here in one of my fourth grade classes, and on the bottom you can see I have my stream and classwork and people. If you're on a laptop, this would all be at the top. You can see that my stream just shows an announcement that I have for students, and I can change that up and delete it if I wanted to just by hitting the three more dots and pressing delete. And I can press on classwork and it shows the categories that I have or any kind of assignments that are coming. Like you can see there's a scheduled assignment, but on the stream it keeps it very clean and clear, and very students can look at that and see if there's a change. And like I said to Mel, that I'm teaching all students in second, third, and fourth grade to go to classwork to find their assignments. Their iPads or their Chromebook, it notifies them when I post something new. But sometimes I think that we tend to just leave it the way it is, mainly because we don't know that we can change it. So if I'm on classwork and I want to make it so that classwork and stream are not connected, I can go into my settings. So when you're on the stream, if you go in the corner to your gear and just move this up, you'll have the same thing on your laptop. The very bottom it says classwork on the stream, so I'm going to just press on that. Now just look at the difference. I have it set on hide notifications. They have 3 different choices. I'm just going to change it back to the way it was. This is the way I had it last year, and one of the complaints I had from parents is they had a hard time finding assignments. Now some of my classroom management is different this year, so all these stickers, they were not there last year. So if you just kind of imagine, there wasn't all these attachments on there. But when parents or students would open up their Winter's Techies or their classroom for technology, they would see all this, and then they would go to classwork and see all that. And as a parent, especially of students or children that have a hard time focusing or being able to clear the clutter, having all this clutter on there just sometimes can make people just stop, and they're not going to keep moving forward. So what I did this year, after learning a bunch of different things this summer, is I condensed it, and I just went in here and I made sure that this was not connected. So like I can see it, and if I teach students from the get-go that means when they come to you, they're already going to be set up. So that would be like our current 4th graders. When they become in 5th grade and 6th grade and they start coming up, you might not see this effect for a while, but I just do think that you're probably going to have a much better results of students turning in their work if you clear this up and you clean it up just a little bit.